Okay, welcome back to Code Hub Tutorials. We are continuing with our CSS, and this is supposed to be the lesson number 12. Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you CSS, Flexbox, and then grade. Alright, I also add a bit of HTML. I'm going to teach you how to write a comment in HTML. We did that in CSS in the previous video, and we are going to do this in this video as well. So just a quick one, let me just go to how we can write a comment in HTML. So I told you that these comments are not supposed to be, are not meant to be interpreted, so they're just part of it, but they are just for reference. So I can just write a comment anywhere in my HTML. And how do you write comments in HTML? We do that by using everything in HTML is with tags. So open tag, an exclamation, and we use this what do we call it? The dash. All right, the two dash. You can see that automatically they will come, and then I can just write this is my comment. All right, I'll just write this one here. I can just write multiple comments anywhere. Open tag, exclamation, dash, two dash, and then they will just be added for me. This is oh God, another comment. All right, you can just write comments everywhere. They are not part. They wouldn't be interpreted as the website. There's nothing here like that. You are not supposed to be interpreted. So that is how to write a comment in HTML. Now let's jump back into our CSS, where I'm going to show you the Flexbox and then the grid. Now, what is a Flexbox? It is a way of arranging our content on the web page. All right, you see, now our website just goes like straight like that, a vertical something. There's nothing, arranging like lines or something, but we actually want to place items side by side. All right, place item side by side, and we can either use a grid or a Flexbox. Now I'm going to show you a Flexbox and then also show you grid. All right, good. Now I want to arrange the hero section. I'm going to target the hero section right now, so I'm going to go to my CSS and write section. Let me change the background first, background color to something that you can see. Now you see that it's only affecting the top side of my website. All right, after that is the section. Now you can see some margin around, and I told you that anytime you start writing, you just have to get rid of those margin. So I'm just going to do asterisk margin 0, padding 0 as well, and you can see that everything has been reset for me. There are no margins, no paddings around. But you see that I want to put my picture side, and then the content, that is my name and the other things, also on the other side. So I'm just going to display them. All right, so I'm going to set display, and the display I'm going to set is what? Flex. All right, I've set the display to flex. Boom, and automatically you can see that they have been arranged left to right. My content have been elevated, have been arranged nicely for me like that. So with this, I can set different colors for them. I can set different backgrounds for the image, different background for the H1 content. All right, that is the beauty of Flexbox or Flex. That's good. So we've now displayed them in that order, that like a table form where we have the items side by side. Okay, let me see what I can also do here. That is with Flexbox. Okay, and that is it. So let me actually try to set some margins to the they are put together, so I can just go here, say section, section div, and I want to set padding to maybe 80 pixels. I want to set padding for them. All right, 80 pixels. Now you see they've been put to where they belong, that kind of thing. Let me also see. I think I can just add it here. Let me see if I can just add it here. 50 pixels like this. Then I'll get rid of this and see. Yeah, you see, they have been arranged that for me. But still, the name is tied to the image. But that is not our focus. You know, our focus was to arrange the images, the content side by side using the Flexbox, and we have been able to achieve that. Okay. No, other video, my next video may probably show you how you're going to do all these things, but this is Flexbox. You can actually use Flex to arrange the items and like that. So since you have done that, we want to center the items. All right, we want to center our items, so we can say we have two ways. All right, let me first use justify content to center. I don't know which one which one is justify content and something. There are two, you know, grid. We have grid and then we have Flexbox or Flex, but they all come with certain arrangements. So let me just see which one is just doing that. Okay, this may be probably for grid. So let me say display. I'll set it to grid. I'll set display to grid. Yeah. All right. Let me see. Align items to center. I just want to put them to the center. Yes, now you can see that all of them are in the center. Previously, the content was up there, but I just arrange all of them in the center, and I don't have to use margin here and there to keep that. Now let me see. Delete my padding. Yeah, though they're in the center, but let me remove this. I just want to show you how. And I can as well comment this one out. All right, I can comment this one out like this. You know, I can just apply my comment style here, and it wouldn't be executed. So you can see that they have been shifted upwards. So I just get rid of them like that, and over here we have our website, our content displayed in the center. Another thing we can also do is to grade. All right, set our display to grade. You can say display to grade. All right, and grade is also another way of arranging like that. But always Flexbox is good. You can justify content to center. I think I like content or something like that. No, yeah. So probably the whole other thing when you use grade, you may have to add other. I think you may have to call out the div again and then do it. But when you use Flex, automatically it set out everything for not Flex, but I said Flex. It set everything like this for you. So you know, this is how it works. Let me go to the main, that is the profile. So we have the main and then a div. All right, so I'm going to call main and div and rearrange them and see. You have main, div, and then the display is set to flex. And then you can see now we have this one's set out to. Let me first take out this and see. Main. Yeah, not too good. Not too good. I have to target the div. Probably what? Yeah, the div. Div, div, div. Main, div, div. Is that something I can do? Main div. Okay, let me see. I was certainly not sure about that. Main div. That will be ridiculous. You don't know which div you're talking about, but you can actually use, yeah. I just wanted to get access to, there are 2 divs inside the main element. No, I just wanted to get access to the 3rd one by saying main div, but there's nothing that works like that. So this introduces us to our next video, which I'm going to talk to you about classes and what? IDs, all right? Yeah, we're going to talk about classes and IDs. We're going to use classes and IDs to name our elements so that we don't have to write main div, but rather use the name of the class or the ID to actually call out the element one after the other. Do well to subscribe to this channel. There are a whole lot of things, there are a whole lot of videos already there. There are videos on Django, videos on Photoshop, videos on Microsoft Word. Yeah, videos on most of the things, and there are lots more coming. I will probably do a video on game development. Sure, I'm not promising though, I may probably do it, but we have premium courses on Code Hub that you can apply for and take. There are lots of them. We have videos, video editing, we have game design, game development, we have Python development there, right there. So there are videos on Python right on this channel. You can just watch them if you want to learn Python programming. There are videos on Django to become a backend developer. A whole lot of videos right here. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you want to do or what you want to know. Whatever you want to do, let me know, and then we're going to talk about it. Write it in the comment section. Share to your friends that Code Hub is doing a great job. All right, thank you so much. And let me also recommend those who have commented, who have given me thumbs up. I'll just check out for your name and then I'll mention them in the subsequent videos. All right, thank you so much for watching the videos. I'm out.